Welcome to the Media Creator channel. In this video, I will show you how to professionally clean stains on the face. You see in the photo a rather blotchy face. Let's get started. We copy our layer with the Ctrl+J command. We select the layer above and select the vivid light option from this section. While our photo is selected, we press Ctrl+I. We select the filter, Other, and from there the high pass option. Increase the radius value until the pimples disappear. It would be wrong to enter the same values for each photo. The next step is filter. We enter the blur Gaussian blur option. Here you can also enter between December 1st to 4th without increasing the values too much. We move to the next step. While the top layer is selected, we click on the mask sign below. And we select the white box and press Ctrl+I. After selecting the black box, we take the coloring pencil and choose our color white. And we paint over the spots. As you can see, it's already starting to take effect. Before and after. You can change the values from here. I have shown how to clean stains in this tutorial. Press the like button and subscribe button to continue the tutorials. See you in the next video.